Good morning from the Pisgah National Forest. Today I'm hiking to Black Balsam Knob and also to Tennant Mountain. I'm going to take the Ivester Gap Trail, which I'm on right now, do a shortcut up to the Black Balsam Trail from Ivester Gap. At some point I'll hit a little bit of the Art Loeb Trail just to see what that's like, since I am preparing for that. Art Loeb, all right. And I'll get to the top of Black Balsam where there's some great views. So it's going to be a great hike. Let's go. I want you to take a look at some of these views I'm seeing right now. Absolutely beautiful. If I go straight, I'll stay on Ivester Gap, but I'm going to take a little shortcut here to get up to Art Loeb and the Black Balsam Knob Trail. Closer. I'm not exactly sure how far we are. I mean, this trail is a tiny fit. There's really not that much room on this trail. It's pretty small. See what I mean? But this sure is beautiful. I mean, it really is. There's the top right there. Let's go. Isn't this view gorgeous though? I mean, check that out, man. Just as far as the eye can see, just mountains, mountains, mountains. Absolutely beautiful. On the way down from Tennant Mountain, the trail is going to fork. That's the way that we came. So we're gonna go this way and head to Black Balsam Knob. Very soon after that, the trail will fork again. That is the Art Loeb Trail, and this is the Black Balsam Knob Trail. There's Tennant Mountain. That's where I just was. I just can't get over these views. Wow. This is so beautiful. And this trail, oh my gosh. It's just decorated with natural beauty. I couldn't have made this better myself, I'm just saying. Let's see, I believe that's Mount Pisgah way off in the background with the tower on top. And of course that's Tennant Mountain right in front of us. Man. This is just amazing. If you've never done this before, you need to give it a shot. I'm telling you. I made it to the top of Black Balsam Knob. It is so beautiful here. Can you believe that? Look at that view. Isn't that amazing? Absolutely gorgeous. It would be great to camp up here, I bet. Thank you for joining me on this hike. Please like this video, hit the comments section, let me know what you think. Also, please subscribe to this channel to help us keep going. Until the next time, stay tuned. Okay, so I passed this on the way down. And I just want to take a moment to remind everybody to leave no trace. I have no idea who left these shoes out here. I have no idea whose cigarette butt that is. But these things don't belong out here. And nobody has come around to get them. So I am going to take them home and throw them in the trash.